You want to know the fastest way to get stuck, frustrated, and ready to quit digital marketing? It's by making the same mistakes that almost every beginner in digital marketing makes. And I know because I made them myself. If y'all don't know me, my name is Charlotte. I'm a mid-40s mom and wife from Eastern Kentucky. And a year or so ago, my husband and I were both working full-time. He was even working overtime, and we were still drowning in debt. But then I discovered a program that pays me 100% profit, and I built a business working at just 2 hours a day. And before we dive in, be sure to hit subscribe, because on this channel, I show you how everyday people can build a 100% profit business online in just 2 hours a day, so you can finally quit that 9 to 5 and get your time back. The first mistake beginners make is treating digital marketing like a lottery ticket. They think, if I just post the right video and it goes viral, I'll get rich. And when that doesn't happen right away, because it don't, they quit. And here's the truth. Viral videos might get you views, but views don't always equal sales. What actually creates sales is trust. And trust is built through consistency and connection, not luck. When I first started, I made videos that barely got 20 views. But then I learned that I just needed to be real and post quick, simple videos. And that's what brought in my first $900 sale. It taught me that this is not a lottery. You don't need the perfect video. You just need to keep planting seeds. Think of it like farming. You don't just plant a few seeds and expect to harvest the next day. So don't gamble on going viral. Focus on showing up consistently and the results will come. The second mistake beginners make is promoting too many things at once. A lot of beginners try to spread themselves really thin. They promote skincare, Amazon gadgets, just random products. Basically chasing whatever looks shiny. It's called the shiny object syndrome. But here's the problem. When you promote everything, people don't know what you actually stand for. Your audience needs clarity. If one day you're talking about kitchen gadgets, and then the next day you're selling supplements, and then the next day you're talking about how to make money online, people will tune out. I fell for the shiny object syndrome. And you know what happened? Nothing. Crickets. It wasn't until I decided to go all in on this proven system that I already believed in, that's paying me 100% profit, that things started to shift. Once I focused on that, my message got clearer. People began to trust me because I wasn't bouncing from one thing to another. So my advice, pick one thing and go all in. Master it. Stick with it. Because when you promote one product consistently, your audience knows what you're about, and that's what leads to sales. The third mistake beginners make is quitting too soon. This one breaks my heart because I see it so much. People start so strong, but then when they don't see results in the first couple weeks, they quit, they give up. But here's the thing, every business takes time to grow. If you opened a bakery, you wouldn't expect to be packed out on day one. You'd give it time to get customers, build a reputation, and grow. Digital marketing is no different. When I started, I wanted quick results too. And to be honest, I felt like quitting before anything happened. But then out of nowhere, I got my first $900 commission. It was the result of all the actions I'd been taking consistently. I like to think of it like planting a tree. At first, you don't see anything, but underground, the roots are growing. And once it sprouts, it grows faster and stronger because of all that unseen work. If you quit too soon, you never give those roots a chance to grow. That's why people who stick with it, the ones who stay consistent, are the ones who see success. So here's the truth. Most beginners don't fail because the system doesn't work. They fail because of these 3 mistakes. And I'll be real with you, there were nights I wanted to quit too. I'd lay in the bed at night wondering what I was doing wrong, what I could do differently, what I could do better. But then I remembered why I started. Because I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, tired of watching my husband break his back working overtime every week, and tired of feeling like we were just barely scraping by. That's what kept me going. And thank God I didn't quit, because today I have a business that I built in 2 hours a day that pays me 100% profit and gives me something I could never get from a 9 to 5. My time and my freedom. Now, I want that for you too, and I want you to know it's possible. So the next step is to go to the link in my description, grab your free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint, because that's where it all begins. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you there.